Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good evening, dear audience. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. This is Rezwan Ahmed. I'm originally from Chittagong. Usually, I live in Rangpur with my family and now live in Dhaka for study. I'm 25 years old and I have memorized the Holy Quran from Madinatul Ulum Madrasa, Sabar, Dhaka. Then I have completed my masters, that means Dawra Hadith, from Islamic Research Center, Dhaka, Bushundara. Then I have completed Bangla literature course, then all handwriting course, then a calligraphy course, then especially I have completed the sales of marketing course, and I'm studying on Hadith with Islamic economics in this year. My favorite hobby, recite the Holy Quran and reading book. My father is a teacher and at Islamic University, and my mother is a homemaker. So I am very happy man.